Hello everyone, myself Ansh and I welcome to you all to my YouTube channel A New Sunrise. Hope you are well and fine. In this video, I am going to share information about conservation of plants and animals, that is Class 8 Science chapter number 7. I am going to explain you the chapter and also going to give you the notes through my slides. This is the part 1 of the chapter. One more part will be uploaded soon on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned to our channel. Now, let us start the chapter. First of all, before starting the chapter, let us see what are the topics that we are going to cover in this video. First topic that we are going to cover is deforestation and the second one is causes of deforestation. Next, we will learn about consequences of deforestation. What are the results or what are the effects of deforestation on nature and environment. Next, we will learn about desertification. Then after, we will learn about flora and fauna. Then we will know about species and then we will know what are endemic species. Let us see some more topics that we are going to cover in this video. Then after, we will learn about endangered species. Then we will also see what are the examples of endangered species. Then we will learn extinction and extinct species, and then we will see the examples of extinct species also. Now, let us start the chapter. Conservation of plants and animals, Class 8 Science, chapter number 7. Before starting our first topic, that is deforestation, one image have been shown to you of deforestation. Okay? Now, let us start our first topic, that is deforestation. A great variety of plants and animals exist on Earth. They are essential for the well-being and the survival of the mankind. Today, a major threat to survival of these organisms is deforestation. Deforestation means clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. See, what is deforestation? Deforestation means clearing of forest and cutting of trees for using that land for other purposes. Okay? Deforestation is a major danger. Threat means a danger to our survival of these organisms. It is also a major threat to our environment because there are many harsh consequences of deforestation. Now we have learned what is deforestation. We will proceed to our next topic, that is causes of deforestation. What are the different causes of deforestation? Trees in the forest are cut for some of the purposes as mentioned below. Procuring land for cultivation, clearing the forest for cultivation. This is one of the cause of deforestation. The second reason is building houses and factories. Nowadays, most of the trees are being cut as for the purpose of building houses and factories. Third cause or the third reason or the third purpose why the deforestation is taking place is making of furniture or using wood as a fuel. Trees are being cut so that trees can be used for making of furniture, using the wood of those trees as a fuel to burn. These were the human-made causes. Now let us see the natural causes, the natural reasons, the natural purposes of deforestation. Some natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and severe drought. Now, one image have been shown to you, that is consequences of deforestation. You can see what are the very harsh consequences of deforestation. Deforestation have a very harsh effect on nature. It causes soil erosion, flood, drought, desertification and as well as global warming. Now let us study consequences of deforestation. Deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Groundwater level also gets lowered. Deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. If cutting of trees continues, if this deforestation continues, then rainfall and the fertility of the soil will decrease. If deforestation continues, then there will be a decrease in the rainfall and the fertility of the soil. Moreover, there will be an increased chances of natural calamities such as floods and droughts. Calamities means you can say disasters. When deforestation will be more, then there will be more chances of floods and droughts like natural disasters. We know that plants need carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis. Fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be consumption, which will result up in increased amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This will lead to the global warming as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. If the carbon dioxide is in an excess amount in the atmosphere, then global warming will take place. Now, let us see some more consequences of deforestation. The increase in temperature on the earth. As the amount of carbon dioxide will excess, then the temperature will also increase on the earth, and this will disturb the water cycle and may reduce rainfall, and this could cause drought. Deforestation is a major cause which leads to the change in the soil properties. Physical properties of the soil also get affected by the plantation and vegetation. Deforestation also leads to a decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil, in the water retention capacity of the soil. The movement of water from the soil surface into the ground is also reduced. So there are floods. The other properties of the soil like nutrient, content, texture, it is also changed because of deforestation. Now you can see how much harsh effects deforestation does on the nature. It causes floods, it causes drought, it also results in desertification, in decreasing of water retention capacity, then in global warming. These are the harsh effects of deforestation on nature. Now let us study what is desertification. Desertification is also a consequence of deforestation on nature. Fewer trees result in more soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower, hard and rocky layers. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradual is the fertile land gets converted into desert. It is called desertification. Now let us see what are flora and fauna. One image has been shown to you, which is of flora. Flora means plants. And next is the images of fauna. Fauna means animals. The plants found in a particular area are termed flora respectively of that area, whereas the animals found in a particular area are termed fauna of that area. Species. Species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. This means that the members of a species can reproduce fertile offsprings only with the members of their own species and not with the members of other species. Members of a species have common characteristics. So, we have learned that what are flora and fauna, as well as we have also learned what are species. Now let us see what are endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone, a state, or a country. The destruction of the habitat of such endemic species, increasing population and introduction of new species may affect the natural habitat of endemic species and endanger their existence. Endemic species are those species which are found in a particular area. Okay, it can be a zone, a state, a country. Now, let us learn about endangered species. What are endangered species? A species whose population is so small that it is under the threat of becoming extinct is called an endangered species. A species of fauna or flora which is so small that it can vanish are called to be as endangered species. There are several animals in Asia that are under the danger of being wiped out completely from the face of the earth. Such a situation arises when human activities destroy the habitat, and disrupt their food chains. Some animals are even killed for their skin, horns, and other body parts. Some not. Many animals are killed, are hunted for their skin, horns, and other body parts, and it will be sold in the markets. Examples of endangered species. Some endangered species are birdwing butterfly, found in forest of Papua New Guinea, the giant panda, found in bamboo forest located in the mountains of southwestern China, the Indian rhinoceros, found in India and Nepal, the orangutan, found in forest of Borneo and Sumatra, the Asian elephant, found in the countries of Southeast Asia, the Asian tiger, found in India, Bangladesh, Sumatra, China, and the Russian Far East. Now, let us see the images of some of the endangered species. This is an Asian tiger. This is an Indian rhinoceros. This is an Asian elephant. Now, we have completed our first part of the video, which was about the animals, the plants, and it also explained about deforestation, causes of deforestation, and consequences of deforestation. Now, let us see what are extinct species. One more topic has been left, which is extinct species. Extinction of a particular animal or plant species occurs when there are no more individuals of that species alive anywhere in the world. The species had died out. When a species of animal have been vanished from the earth or from this world, it is considered to be an extinct one. Extinction is the termination of a kind of organism or of a group of kinds, taxon, usually a species. The moment of extinction is generally considered to be the death of the last individual of the species, although the capacity to breed and recover may have been lost before this point. Now let us see some of the examples of extinct species. 10 examples of extinct species have been given. Let us read every one by one. West African black rhinoceros. The West African black rhinoceros have been extinct many years ago. Baiji white dolphin, Pyrenean ibex, passenger pigeon, Tasmanian tiger, stellar sea cow, great auk, woolly mammoth, dodo, and saber-toothed cat. These were the organisms, or these were the species which have faced the extinction, which are no longer available on this earth. Now, let us revise all our concepts that we have studied today through some of the questions. Define the following terms. Deforestation. Deforestation is a clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. Deforestation means clearing of forest, cutting of trees so that it can be used for making buildings, houses, or the wood from the tree which is cut can be used for a fuel or for making furniture are called to be as deforestation. Simply we can say that the clearing of forest is known as deforestation. Desertification. Fewer trees result in more soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower hard and rock layers. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradually the fertile land gets converted into deserts. It is called desertification. When soil erosion occurs, then the top layer of the soil exposes the lower one, and the soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradually, the fertile land get converted into desert, and this is what is desertification. You can learn all these definitions one by one. Drought. A drought is a period of drier than normal conditions that result in water-related problems. Endangered species. Animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as to be endangered species. Animals whose numbers are diminishing, animals whose numbers are decreasing, whose population is decreasing to a level that they may vanish from this earth are known to be as endangered species. Endemic species. Endemic species are those species of a plant and animal which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone, a state, or a country. So this is what endemic species. Now, let us see some more definitions about extinct flora, fauna, and species. What do you know by the term extinct? Something that have no longer exists, something that no longer exists, something that have no longer existence, and has no living representative is called to be an extinct. Example: dinosaurs are extinct. Flora. The plants found in a particular area are termed flora of that area, whereas fauna are the animals found in a particular area, are termed to be fauna of that area. Species. Species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. What are species? Species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. So hereby we have completed our first question, that was define the following terms. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is list any 3 causes of deforestation. We have learned the 3 causes of deforestation. The 3 causes of deforestation are procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, and third one is making furniture or using wood as a fuel. You can write about each and every causes in detail also. Now let's proceed to our next question, that is list any 3 consequences of deforestation. 3 consequences of deforestation are: deforestation causes global warming. It increases temperature of the earth, which disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall, which can cause drought. Deforestation can also result into desertification, as cutting of trees will eliminate all fertile land. Okay, what are the 3 consequences of deforestation? You can write the other 3 consequences of deforestation also. We have discussed many consequences, many harsh effects of deforestation on nature. Here only 3 has been given, or you can say only 3 has been asked. If you want, you can write other 3 also. Now let's proceed to our next question, that is give any 5 examples of endemic species. Examples of endemic species are birdwing butterfly found in forest of Papua New Guinea, the giant panda found in bamboo forest located in the mountains of southwestern China, the Indian rhinoceros found in India and Nepal, the orangutan found in the forest of Borneo and Sumatra, and the Asian elephant found in the countries of Southeast Asia. So we have given the 5 examples of endemic species. So we have completed this question also. Now let us proceed to next question, that is give any 5 examples of extinct species. Now let us answer this question also. What are the 5 we can give any 5. I have discussed 10 examples. I have discussed 10 examples of extinct species. We can give any 5. First one is Pyrenean ibex. Example of endemic species. No, it is extinct. Sorry, I have written here endemic. It is wrong. Example of extinct species are Pyrenean ibex, passenger pigeon, Tasmanian tiger, Steller sea cow, great auk, dodo, saber-toothed cat, and many more. You can answer any 5. So hereby guys, we completed our first part of the chapter 7 of class 8, that was the conservation of plants and animals. We will continue the same chapter in the part 2 of our channel. You can go to our channel and you can get the video there. It will be uploaded soon. Till that time, bye bye. Hope you liked our video. Thanks for watching. Do like and share my video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any latest update. Comment if you have any feedback, or you can also comment if you have any confusion related to chapter. Bye bye guys.